Alright, we're starting an install of Fedora 43 workstation. This installer is a little bit different than you might have seen before, so let's take a look. Select your destination. Storage gives you an encryption option, review, and install. You'll see several screens as it works through the install process, which is a nice touch. The live desktop. Alright, we've restarted and we are setting language, keyboard, privacy settings, time zone, enabling or disabling third-party repositories, setting your full name and username, setting a password, and we're done with phase 2 installation. Once we reboot, we get the tour wizard. And this just gives you a little bit of an overview of the system and some of the features that you can find and use. And that's all, folks.